Hi, super smart friends! Welcome back to another fun learning adventure with me, Young Smart. You've been doing an amazing job learning 2-letter words. Today, we're going to learn 4 more. Us, an, as, and if. Are you ready? Let's spell together. Word 1, us. Our first word is us. Let's spell it together. U-S, us. Now you say it. U-S, us. Perfect. Let's use it in a sentence. This gift is for us. Word 2, an. The next word is an. Spell it with me. A-N, an. Your turn. A-N, an. Great job! Let's use it in a sentence. Look, it's an apple. Word 3, as. Now let's learn as. Spell it together. A-S, as. Now you say it. A-S, as. Wonderful! Let's use it in a sentence. Be as brave as a lion. Word 4, if. Our last word for today is if. Let's spell it together. I-F, if. Now you say it. I-F, if. Excellent! Let's use it in a sentence. We can win if we try. Fantastic work, friends! You learned 4 new 2-letter words. Us, an, as, and if. Let's say them one more time. Us, an, as, if. You're learning so fast. Keep spelling, keep smiling, and keep learning with me, Young Smart. When we try together, we can achieve anything.